Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the November subscription box, the Charm box from Daily Charme. This is my last box. I did go ahead and cancel my subscription. I did want to try it out for the year and the boxes were nice. I really like the boxes. I especially love the stickers. I think they had such amazing stickers and polishes, but I just have too much stuff, you guys. Way too much nail stuff. I don't need to keep adding more and more to my collection, you know. So yeah, I mean, I wanted to give it a try and I did like the boxes, so I'm glad I got the boxes. But this is the holiday season 25 box. There is a code holiday vibe. You could save 20% on your next purchase. And then the back of the card is what's in the box. It describes everything that you're getting in the box. This first item here, oh my gosh, these super cute socks. Oh my gosh. This unboxing was done, oh my gosh, probably like 2 weeks ago, I think maybe. Today is actually November 30th. It's like almost 10 o'clock at night. And I'm just now doing the voiceover. But yeah, this was actually one of the bonus gifts, holiday socks. Super cute. Like I said, I already wore these socks or been wearing them. And these are some beautiful, beautiful rhinestones. They're the sparkly glass rhinestones. It says Twinkle Festive Crystal Mix, Sparkle Bright in Red, Green, Moonlight, and Champagne Blings. 1,440 pieces. And this says limited, so I'm not sure. I think whatever they don't have, or they put in the boxes, whatever they have left, that's what they'll put out on the website. And like I said, I love their stickers. Their stickers are always super cute. So if I ever want any stickers, I mean, hopefully they'll have them on the website. I'm trying to see. Yeah, because it says new. They'll be on 11/14. They'll have them on the website. So yeah, if I want any from any of the boxes, I'll just go and get them, you know, from the website. But yeah, these are like melted snowmen. Those other ones were called Gingerbread Village. And then these are called Merry Pink Mist. These are super cute. Look at the pink. Oh my gosh. Like I said, their stickers, I absolutely always love their stickers. Every box I've gotten, they're so cute. Pink Christmas trees. We've got the little peppermints. Yeah, I wanted to take them out because there was some up there hiding. You couldn't see, you know, with the packaging. And then look at it, has little snowman faces, so you can make your own little snowman nail. I think that's just absolutely adorable. And then we get these little crystals here. They're actually called Festive Lights Resin Crystals. They do look like little, you could make your own little Christmas lights with these. So, oh my gosh, that's so fun. I'm actually looking forward to doing that. I was like, these are super cool. And then we have some charms here. I think these are the Festive Faves nail charm set. Yeah, 5 adorable Christmas charms in red, green, and gold. It just sucks because you only get one of each, so you don't get to do like 2 hands. And then this is a mix. No, that's not the celestial one. Festive Shape Stud Mix. You get a whole bunch of different shapes in there in gold and silver. And then we have some type of kind of like kawaii charms. I'm trying to look on the, I have the card right here. I'm trying to, Holiday Cheer Resin Decors, it says. But you only get, like, there was 3 snowmen and only one of the other ones. So this is the Celestial Sparkles Studs Mix Box. It has so many different, I love like the 4-pointed stars, all those stars. This is my favorite. I absolutely love all these little stars. This is going to be so fun. I actually see like New Year's nails with those. And then yes, we get a mold. Like I said, I've been loving the molds because I don't have a lot. Mostly all the molds I have are from these boxes. And this is, of course, Snowflake. So we get Icy Snowflake Silicone Mold. So we have 2 glitter mixes here. I'm just going to go ahead and take them out of the packaging. So I stopped the recording, you know, to open the packaging, and then I went to record again, and I didn't press record again. I've forgotten that I stopped it, so I already opened some of the stuff. But these are Jingles Frosty Force Glitter Mix and Jingle Sparkle Glitter Mix. Absolutely gorgeous. They have little snowflakes. These are wires. These are so cool. So you could put these on the nails to do like those lights, the light to use those little resin things so you can make your own little Christmas lights. Holiday Trio wire set. Yeah, it's a very thin little wire, so I actually want to do a nail like that. And I love this hair clip. I actually have it in my hair right now. I've been using it ever since I got it, and I love it. My daughter's like, where'd you get that hair clip? And I said, from my nail box. I was like, you better not steal it. So I've been using it. And this is a, it's a magnet, but you guys, it didn't work for me. It's supposed to make like a candy cane like stripes. I could not get it to work. So you'll see that in a little bit. So yeah, we have different foils. Look how pretty these foils are. That plaid one's super cute. And then we have a lot of like the little, you know, the red, the gold, just absolutely gorgeous. And of course we get our 2 polishes that we get in the box. You get 2 polishes. I'm just going to go ahead and get them open here. So these are gel, I'm trying to see which one I'm going to pick up first. This is E55 Holiday Vibe Check. The perfect holiday red silk cat eye with twinkling sparkles. Yes, that's what I call those twinkles. Look at those little glitters, but they twinkle like they're, oh my gosh, I love when cat eyes have those in it. And this one is E88 $1 Million Green, a luxurious silk cat eye gel with a mesmerizing green color shift. Radiant, rich, and full of magic. Yes, they're absolutely gorgeous. Perfect for Christmas, you know, this holiday season. So I am going to go ahead and swatch them, and we're going to try out the magnet. We're going to start with the $1 Million Green. This green really is, it's a really, really pretty green. And it is a cat eye. So I do go ahead and do 2 coats. I'm just going to show 1 coat here. But yeah, I was trying to magnet, and I mean, it was making like a slightly, not even like the stripes that it's supposed to. It just made like a little, you know, mark there. It's not really a strong magnet at all. I don't know what was going on. I thought maybe there's like a seal on it or something. So I was like, let me peel something off. I went on the website, and you're basically just supposed to hold it over the nail, and it's supposed to make stripes. Well, it did not make stripes. I tried and tried with all different polishes too. You'll even see I get another polish and try it. Now this polish is really pretty, but it is a little chunky. Like the, I don't, well, it's gritty. That's what I want to say. Not chunky, it's gritty. The glitters were gritty. So yeah, see, I'm trying a different, which I should have tried maybe a darker one, but you could see here, it does make a design, but it does not make these stripes. It makes like a, I don't know, like a swirl or something, but not the stripes like it says. So yeah, I don't know what I was doing wrong, or maybe I just, yeah, see, it made like that squiggly line, which I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. But yeah, but I couldn't get it to do it on, I don't know. It just, I don't know what was going on. Like I said, I tried all these different polishes and it just wasn't doing it. So I don't know what was going on. It says just hold it over the polish like that. You're supposed to hold it, and look, it did make that squiggle again, but it did not make the stripes. So that was kind of a bummer, because I thought this is cool for the candy, you know, candy cane nails. So yeah, just a little squiggle there. But it is a beautiful green. And then we're going to try it again. I don't know if you can tell though, it is a little gritty. I mean, it wasn't hard to work with, but you could definitely feel the little glitters in it. So yeah, I was just going to show here, just show how it, look at that. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that shift is. So it has the little twinkle glitters, but then it has this beautiful shift. It's so, oh, look at that, like that velvet. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at that, that's so cool. I love it. All right, so this is everything in the box. You get a good variety. You get stickers, foils, glitters, rhinestone, I mean, bonus gifts, polishes. So yes, I think the box is absolutely amazing. I just have way too much stuff. I wanted to do a few little designs, but I just have not had time, and I have a collab video that I have not started, and I have to do that. So I just wanted to get this up so you could see what's in the box. I will definitely be using, I want to do my little Christmas light nails, so I'll definitely be doing that. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.